Hi and welcome to Soulful Intuitive Tarot. Today I am going to do a reading for Leo for the month of October, and this is going to be a general reading and it may or may not resonate with everyone out there. So please feel free to check your sun, moon and rising signs. Okay, Leo signs. Let's start with your reading and feel free to switch the roles. Cross watches are welcome. This may be a reading for you and your person, so you can, whichever side resonates with you, you can see, and please feel free to comment in the comment section. I would love to read about your read your comments. Okay, we'll see into the past, present, future for your person, the overall energy, the energy between you both and your energy. Okay, so I'm taking 3 cards and the overall energy of the reading. We have the Magician, the Alchemist, the Magician. So both of you are manifesting this connection, and okay, nice reading. Manifestation from both of your sides. This is the overall energy. What I can see from here is you people, you had in the past, for you had hangman, your person had the Queen of Swords, and the energy in between was the 5 of Swords. Right now at the moment you have the High Priestess, and your person has Prince of the Knight of Cups, and the energy is 7 of Cups in between you. And for the future, for the coming up time, is Prince of Wands, King of Wands and the 9 of Pentacles. Wish fulfillment, total happiness, what you're looking for, and you're manifesting this energy. In the past you were in a situation where you felt left out in the cold. Both of you were you didn't want to listen to their excuses, and they were like waiting for the situation to unfold them by itself, and they were taking a lot of time for this, and you just chopped the relationship off, that you're not taking anything anymore. You are not going to take their bullshit. They just don't want to listen to you. Didn't want to listen to any of their excuses. You just wanted a clear cut connection and energy. So you have the Hierophant, the High Priestess, the Knight of Cups and the 7 of Cups. This is like they thought that you have cut them off and you have lot of options. They have this feeling that you have lot of options in your life, and they are now really very scared to lose you, and they want to come. You are like a High Priestess, not revealing too much to them. You have already cut them off here. You have you didn't think twice, and you are very straightforward and stern about your decision, that no bullshit, I don't want anything of that sort. And now they are coming as a Knight of Cups. In the future they are coming with a lot of passion towards you, and they're here in independent, happy and fully secure in your own self, and they are charging towards you as the Knight of Wands. Lot of passion, yes. And the overall energy is the King of Wands. So yes, there is a lot of immature energy, but still the overall energy is the King of Wands. So they think they might look like they are immature or very hasty in their decision, or they are like they're trying to just, you can see only the passion and the connection is not that very strong or stable. No, but it's not like that. You are, this energy of you being stable and strong and very into your power makes them the king of wands. They will change in this energy and they will come forward towards you, and they are manifesting you. You both are manifesting this beginning or this connection, and but your strength is bringing them closer and making them stronger towards this connection. And you, this is your energy which is making them focused. Total focus is towards you. They right now they just want to make this connection work, and you both want it, but they are the one who is going to work on it. They are just coming rushing in. You can interchange. Maybe you are rushing towards them and you are trying to make yourself from a knight's energy, you want to evolve into a king's energy and show them that yes, I am ready and I am going to fulfill this desire of us. We both are going to manifest this connection. Again, I will say this, I told for the Cancer people also, 3 months, the month of October, November and December are going to be very strong for you, and this connection is going to take a turn and be a very fulfilling connection for you. So let's see what is the universe trying to tell you to surrender regarding this situation and your relationship. Okay, surrender comparison with other people. You have to surrender to comparing yourself to others. I think the 7 of Cups is saying that you are looking into too much to other people and not focusing on your strengths and weaknesses to work on. Keep your eyes trained on yourself. Focus on your own strengths, attractiveness and power. Such a beautiful card for you guys, Leo. You are very strong people. You are very strong people and you know what you stand for. What is your power. Leos are very generous and they love themselves. They love others. They are very strong people. Okay. So here we have express love through gifts. A small token of love can convey great appreciation. Maybe you are not conveying your love too much, or maybe you need to show your side of giving. You have to show them that how much they mean to you, how much you want to tell them how much. This is the way universe is telling you to show your love and affection towards them. They are asking you to go forward and show it. Okay, Leo. So I will see you in the next reading. Till then, bye bye and take care.